Hello beautiful people, and today's video I will be showing you how to make this very easy and effective hair oil that will help you tackle dandruff and lice. So let's get started. To make this anti-dandruff hair oil, I will be using jojoba oil, which is one of the best oils for the hair. You can also use coconut oil, almond oil, and so on, but I am using jojoba oil. Next, I have here menthol crystals. Menthol is really great for treating itchiness of the scalp, dandruff, lice, or any other type of irritation or inflammation on the scalp. I'm going to begin by adding the menthol into the jojoba oil so that we can dissolve the menthol crystals. Now I'm going to let it sit for a while and it will dissolve gradually. If you want to speed up the process, you can use the double boiling method, but for me, I'll just let it sit and dissolve on its own. After a few minutes, the menthol crystals has completely dissolved, and now we can go ahead and add other ingredients. Next, I'll be adding in fenugreek oil. Fenugreek oil can help to nourish the hair. It can help fight hair loss, and it's also great for treating lice and dandruff in the hair. So I'm going to add the fenugreek oil into the jojoba oil and menthol. I will also be adding in castor oil. Castor oil is also one of the great oils for hair. Castor oil can help to stimulate hair growth, scalp treatment, and so on. Now for the essential oils, I will be using two different essential oils. This is tea tree essential oil, which also has anti-inflammatory property. Tea tree essential oil can help with the dandruff, with scalp itchiness. It can also help get rid of lice. The second essential oil I'll be using is peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil also has anti-inflammatory property. It can also help with tackling dandruff and lice. Now I'm going to mix and combine all the ingredients together so that we can have our hair oil. The full recipe with all the measurements will be in the description box, so feel free to check it out after watching this video. And that's it. Our scalp oil is ready. I put it in this nozzle bottle because it's better for easy application. This oil should be applied directly on the scalp. The menthol, peppermint oil, and tea tree essential oil will all help to get rid of dandruff, lice, and itchiness on the scalp. So make sure you try out this oil. If you watched this video till this point and you totally enjoyed watching this video and you learned a lot from this video, please make sure you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, drop your comments, ask your questions, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Bye, and see you in my next video.